Alright, hi guys, it's your boy MDR721 here. What I'm going to show you is how to make a calculator using Python. It's very simple. We're going to take the menu option, so here's it, it's an action. Alright, so let's say divide first number 8 0. You can't not divide by 0. See? So let's get this over with. Okay. So what we're going to do is do this to make a comment. There's many ways to make a comment, but this is easier to make a multi-screen. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a variable, because this is going to be our menu. Alright, it's going to be our menu option. Go ahead, do this. Not really good. So we're just gonna make a plus, a minus, a times, and of course divide. Alright, that's going to be our menu options. So we're going to go make a variable for first number. We're going to make our first number.
Can I borrow your charger?
I'm making a video here. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, going to make an input function. And I'm going to put 3 of these. And 1 more of these. Almost forgot about these. We want to make an integer. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put... Oh, wait, what am I doing? Wait. Oh, first. Alright, go put first number. Put this right there. I see the problem. A few mistakes happens there and there. And we're just going to copy this because this is the same thing. But you just need to put second. Alright, there's second number. So if you want this, we're going to say, alright, slash first number 9 8, and that's it. So those are kind of like the same thing. This is why. Now we're going to make an if statement. I'm gonna use if then you up. Oops. If menu option is equal I'm not really good at this. Nope. So if menu option, if we hit the plus sign, it's gonna do this stuff. Alright. So here's the thing. If you write it right here, it's not gonna work. Because what Python does is, if you want a if statement to kind of work, Python needs to know what it's gonna do. So you need to put 4 spaces. So Python knows that those 4 spaces, the first thing on top is is connected. I'll show you what happens if you don't. Okay. Alright. Once we did this, it's much more easier. Alright. Alright, we gotta take the menu option. Wait. No. My mistake. We're gonna put the first number plus the second number. Now, Python already does stuff for you, but you kinda wanna do that, because now Python will know that's like connected. Well, mostly you have to do this again, but we don't want that. Alright. So we're just gonna take the menu option. Very simple. I'll take this, copy this, hit Ctrl V, hit Ctrl V. Now all you need to do is change the numbers. So we got minus, got that boy's time, most importantly, wait. Actually, for this, it's going to be else, because the finish. And to do that, you need to put this right here. Now, I'm going to show you what happens if you don't take the time to put this one right here. So I'm going to show you what happens. Oh, invalid syntax. Right, hold on. Oh, okay, I see. Don't be afraid of getting things wrong. A lot of people get things wrong. Just don't be afraid to get things wrong. That's kind of I think that kind of discourage new programmers, because they don't think they're real programmers. Okay. See, I'm just making these mistakes and, well, you know. Oh, wait. Alright, see? A few mistakes. But, the reason, but if you get something things wrong, you actually learn from it, and that's actually the satisfaction of programming. Alright, so let me show you what happens. So, if you put 0, that's what happens. So what we need to do is put if second number equals to 0. Now print alright. Then what you're gonna do here else and you know how I kind of now this is not gonna work for many reasons. We put these up. Okay, so I made a few mistakes. Alright. Else. Oh, I see. There we go. So, what we're telling to the program here is this is all interconnected. If statement is connected. So let's take 0 divided by 0. Cannot divide by 0. But that's kind of like a calculator. So that's a simple calculator. This is a little. It's just the same thing with a little bit of modified code. So like plus, we'll add, subtract, multiply, divide. This is just a thing. Well, it's about time. Well, bye guys. Hope you use this tutorial how to make a calculator.